So I got an unboxing video for you guys today. I know I'm going to unbox it in the floor, but it's the best place I got at the moment, as I got the table occupied by other hobbies and other videos. Now I want to say thank you to everybody that has hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. Everybody who even watched the video and give me a view, thank you all so much. But I got this ZOMEI professional tripod. Now this is the budget one. This is not the M8. The M8 is a little expensive, but this is around $20 to $30. This tripod is, and for $20 to $30, we shall see what we get. We get a satchel, a very nice satchel. It says ZOMEI on them. Now I've seen reviews of the M8, and it looks to be an awesome tripod. Might try to get one for the channel here soon. But we'll try this one out. The last tripod I had, I actually broke. And go ahead, get this out. Now this is a little different design than the M8. There ain't no extra stuff in the bag. Go ahead and open this, but it still feels heavy and sturdy. We do have instructions down now, but this is it, the ZOMEI professional tripod. The M8's got lock-in ones here. It's very nice. Actually has a thing here where you can fold out and clips for the locks. You just press up on this to get it to go in. Actually quite sturdy feeling. Feels good and heavy. How it works on a twist type setup. And it stays quite loose, actually. Let's see. Kind of got a lot of drag to it, which ain't a bad thing. It might loosen up over time. It's got a level, if you all can see it, directly right there. It's always good, especially for some shots you are doing. I apologize, like I said, I needed a tripod. I'm shooting this on a selfie stick. But all in all, it looks pretty cool. You can actually lock this down too by just simply just twisting a little. Good and heavy. And that kind of lifts it and sets it down. It's another cool feature about this. Put it down. It extends extremely long. It's another good thing about it. So it should all in all be a good little tripod stand for the channel. Ain't much I can say about it. It does got these right here that move, so if you're off level ground, looks to be good. We'll try it out in the next coming couple videos and see how it does. Now if you guys like this video, this unboxing video, be sure to drop a like, and I'll give you a review on this in a couple weeks. I'll use it and see how it does. Hit that subscribe button to show your support for my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.